climb, but we're going up there, so. Squeezy. And you can see, there we go, down, looking up. Oh, I just bashed my knee on that. Ow. I'm going to do a Peter Griffin. Ah. 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 Bashed my knee on the bar on the way up.
Peter Griffin off family there. I think he sits there for about 20 minutes, about half the episode.
Yeah, you can tell when they've got...
Lois even does it as well in one episode.
Yeah, saves them writing. Right, here we are in the flats, and that heads up into Smokelough. Long way up. Right, so here we are in the flats, in between Rampgules and Cars. And he's up to no good.
Yeah, I think that was from Smokelough, wasn't it?
I don't know, I think it's just local workings.
Or from Cars, back to some part of Cars.
Could be Cars, could the Smokelough's, what, 100 feet at least above us.
Has it got like crisscross bits of steel in that one?
Bits of wood.
I've seen it before. Made a carrier of those here, Steve.
Yeah, some power, younger workings. Start off before we go through, there's no point. Bloody little one. Oh, it gets worse.
That's the same as what we're doing.
So, yeah, we just climbed up into this collapsed bit. And must have made some noise as it was coming down there. We'll climb up again. It is a while, yes. Through this hole. Well, yeah, that's probably just water. Spider Binny doing what Spider Binny does. Going places where others fare. Yes, that's why we call him Spider Binny. Paul did it, but you know, not quite as gracefully as the spider. And sent a rock down.
Talking of walking on the rails.
Yeah, look down there. It's alright, I'll stay here. Try not blind you. When we come back down.
That's where you fall, I think, across there.
If you fall, I can send this to the insurance company. Uh-oh.
Into that one.
And alright, so we're down here looking small. There's another level up there, which we will be visiting shortly. Nice to know they're keeping it tidy. Through into yet more long workings across the vein, along the vein, sorry. And the largeness just keeps going. Go ahead, Portia, show them how big it is compared to a normal sized person. There we go. I'll give you some sense of scale of it. Oops, sorry. Go on then. There we go. Now see how it is compared to a pool in the binny. It's big.
Definitely a level up there.
Oh, there is. We've been down it. I've been down it.
It's a stone there, just stick it there.
You can't.
The stone gives way when it's slow.
You can't get very far down it, but it does go all the way along.
See, I knew we should have brought them ladders up. Now them ladders down there, you get up there.
No.
I think you don't want to get where my light's going across.
You don't want to go.
8 foot tall.
Yeah, you don't want to go in that drift at all. It's all full throttle all the way along. Yeah.
Is this where that's flipping?
This is where the Ochre Challenge is.
Aye, at the end.
Yeah.
Which we just have a look at,
Which it looks like it's just there actually. Okay, nobody's up for it today because they're all wimps.
What do you go first, but we'll follow.
I'm a wimp too today. There's the Ochre Challenge. Nobody's been in the well because all the calcite is lying across the top. It shows how easily these get calcited up over time. But yeah, it goes to head down there, but it's full of ochre, so you can't move too fast because if you disturb the ochre, it can drop the oxygen levels, so it can get quite dangerous. So today we'll just return. Right, back at the shaft we came up, and we're going to the left. So I must get the flood up. Nice little shaft back down to the horse level there. Looking at. Let's see the man way up. Shoosh, straight down. Sorry?
That way though?
That's where we're going.
Oh,
Follow the biddy. Oh God. That's
that
back. Yeah, that's that hopper you're just looking at. Oh, yeah, there it is. See the wooden frame sticking up.
It's rather bizarre. Strange hopper that, isn't it?
You've got to come up to get to it. This was just for that little section there.
Right, it's bizarre, it's like.
Bit of effort though for that.
Yeah. Unless they've got a platform across there from that side.
Might have.
Unless all this wasn't here and they've just chucked it there when they're finished. That's not that way.
Wood. There is workings back there. Little one. But that hole is dodgy. You can easily block that. Somebody's been doing some artwork. Oh, the artwork. Hello to whoever made that.
Got a lot of cut out of this area, haven't they?
Yeah. There we go. It just goes just back there. Right, working our way through the workings. And there's the DJ booth. You can actually get on top of that and pretend to be a DJ. There's the uphill. Go on, Betty. Benny's extreme hardcore discos. I think this does that as well. Get the mode right.
Hey!
Mine flashes slow. There we go. How big's your chasm? Ooh, that's rude. It's funny. Red? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh well, he's dead. Next. He's back. Oh yeah. There is. Can go around here. This wasn't full of water last time. That was full of water, but this wasn't. Yeah. Hot chamber there.
Look at the size of that.
Wow, look at the size of yours. Yeah. There's a lot level up there.
Haven't been up here.
I've not been up. I've stood at the top of that wood and had a look.
I've been up before.
I don't think turning goes anywhere.
What's your back end?
Woohoo! Spider Benny, Spider Benny. Papa! No? No. Didn't think it was worth it.
What's this?
I'm waking up with a mineral line.
Oh yeah, mineral collectors. What have we found, Mr. B? Oh yes, the rays.
Dark in here.
Seem to remember this.
It's shot.
Oh yes, so it is.
Shot both ways.
Very, very buggered. Wonder if I'm full for those.
Now when we came up here the last time, Paul, you know, we came across them 4 hoppers and all that, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we came out across this way somewhere. Remember? And,
Oh.
and we came up that dodgy ladder.
Don't look down no matter what you do. I'll not blind you. There we go. Yeah, looks like it caps out.
Never had a look, eh?
You can see it going like that at the top, so you can see it going like that at the top, so I imagine it's just up there.
It's best to leave it off, you can just about see it.
Vinny to confirm.
Yeah.
Spider Vinny.
These are steel.
Nah, it's just bellies out. Just bellies out.
A bit like me. Yeah, mining disasters. Sometimes I can get up there. Today, no, didn't make it. So, I'll wait here this time. Especially as I've now got no feeling in my fingers. Oh, here they come, after their explores. Without me, because, yeah. It's just, yeah, that thing. It's dried now. Hello! Medic!
I've been down on that level.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't go far.
It's collapsed a few times, but I was looking down on the, you know, where we were up before the false floors.
Yeah.
That's where I've been.
It doesn't go far, that one. I've been up there twice. But didn't manage it this time. There we go. And here comes David coming down.
See, right at the end, it was like raining in at the bottom end.
Coming down from the sump. Don't look into the light.
Oh, it's nice of you, man. It gets a bit scary when you go on your own.
It does, though, that's why I don't like it.
Come on, hurry up, get down the ladders.
It's the waiting at the top as well. It's like you start to think all sorts of things. Like,
Well, that's the starting foot route then.
Yeah.
Somebody comes from behind.
That was a tour of Trout Flats, and patch myself up, and we're heading back out. Right.